How often should you clean your furnace? Pro advice for some homeowners. Probably the most important thing you can do as a homeowner is once in a while go into your mechanical room, remove the front cover of your furnace, and just look for rust stains. If you see in the inside that there's rust or there's pooling water, that shouldn't be there, and that's a great opportunity to call a professional. On an annual basis, you want to make sure a professional is coming in anyway to do a full inspection and maintenance per the manufacturer's recommendations. But from a homeowner standpoint, take a look in and around your furnace and mechanical room. Look for water spots and water stains. You should never see any staining or any real debris that takes place inside of the furnace. Those are all sealed units these days.